Running fast, sparks ignite the sky, chasing dreams as days go by. Through the dark, the fire burns, round we go as the world turns. In the night, we hear the call, rise above, we'll never fall. Heart beats loud, a steady drum, find the light, here we come. We are stars in this wide galaxy, shining bright.
Alright, and we're back. Automated Mayfair. So here's Bryn. And damn, it feels good. So, a few issues that she had, and we'll update them very soon. We're just going to do a bit of driving. There's a little bit of a road up here that we're going to do. You'll be able to see. Have a bit of fun through some corners. Hopefully the camera holds onto the window there. We don't have any problems. This is a little back road out our way that we found out last night when Widget was doing. Coming up to this nice little turns. So we'll get to push her a little bit through there.
That way you can see the small moon.
That's why we're on super sport.
Get more acceleration.
Yeah.
I think we're coming up to her now, aren't we? Very, very young. Very young. Yeah. Very close.
You can be my golden sunshine.